Namaskar to all. This is Collector Gajapati here. As you all know, Lockdown 3 has been put in place, and there have been few changes in the restrictions and allowed by government as per the guidelines given by Ministry of Home Affairs and the Government of Odisha. Considering the risk profiling being done for the district has been notified as green zone. In that regard, the restrictions will be changed, and we will be doing restriction only in 9 number of points, following 9 number of points which I am going to share with you. The first point is movement of passenger by train will not be allowed. Second, interstate buses for public transport will not be allowed. Third point, interstate movement of individual only will be allowed in case of medical emergency. Fourth point, education related infrastructure like school, colleges, training institute, coaching institutes will not be allowed, whereas students can take their classes through online and other distance learning mode. Hospitality sector like hotel business for staying purpose for people coming from outside will not be allowed. Sixth point is cinema hall, shopping mall, gymnasium, sports complex, swimming pool, entertainment park, theatre, bar, auditorium, assembly halls will not be allowed. These are the items which have been closed till now, and for time to come also it will be closed. Seventh point, social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, religious functions will not be allowed. So this sports competitions will not be allowed to be conducted like cricket tournament or a volleyball tournament. Eighth point is all religious places of worship shall be closed for public. It was there in the place and it will continue like that. Ninth point, all kind of liquor shop will be closed in the district. Apart from all these 9 points, all other things will be allowed, and the timing of operation will be the same as what have been continuing till date, like that is 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Within this time period, the general public can do anything other than these 9 points reiterated here. And I request anybody having any doubt to kindly call our call center. We have a control room in our district office, that is 06815 222 100. We will be happy to help you in any regard. Thank you.